Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a thread checker, and this is one of the most useful tools that I have in my garage. And to give you an idea of how useful this is, so you have basically the silver or the chrome are going to be your English threads, your SAEs. So I mean, it starts off like half and it goes all the way down to, I probably can't read what's on here, but it's 6/32 to give you an idea. And then all the black ones on this side are all your metric. So to give you an idea, I kind of reorganized this box. I ended up dropping it on the floor. I had bolts everywhere. I had no idea what sizes were which. So then I'm like, all right, how do I figure that out? So I picked up this bolt checker specifically for two reasons. One, I drop a lot of nuts and bolts when I'm working on cars. It's just like part of the job. You end up losing stuff rolls around. Or you got to figure out a bolt or a nut that you have to make. You have to order them online. You have to go to your hardware store. It becomes like a nightmare. So with this, I'm kind of cheating because I've been in the industry a long time. So I kind of know what size this is. This is an M10 1.5. So see how easily that threads into there? So you know. So if I were going to use this is the M12. And obviously that just kind of like slips in and out. You know, that's not the right size. So I have a nut here, so is it an M12? No. So then we go down the line, and then we know that this is the M10 1.5. So, and that spins right on. So you can size stuff super quick, super easy. Let's grab something that's probably a little bit smaller. This I really have no idea. I don't deal with stuff this small, so we're gonna kind of like guess. So is it a 7? No. Is it a 6? No. So what size is this? It's an M5. So this is an M5.8. So I mean that fits in there perfect. So you know exactly what size bolt and thread it is. Same thing. Here's a nut. No idea what size that is. We're going to speculate somewhere in the middle here. So M8 maybe? No, it's kind of tight. So how about an M7? No, it doesn't fit. Then there was an M8, and this is a 125 pitch. So that spins on there nice and easy. So we know exactly what size nut that is. So that's your M8 1.25. So this thing is absolutely invaluable if you do any type of mechanic work, working on cars, even like to use in your house. It's got the nice little ring on either side. I end up having a hook on my toolbox, and I have two of these, one on each toolbox, because I never want to be without this. It's an invaluable addition to your toolkit. Anyway, Ryan from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.